May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
People, wagwan, you done my Media Fox in a year, man. Wagwan, people. Blessings to everyone, blessings to all the fans, you see me? Blessings to all of my supporters, blessings to all of my haters. You don't know, because I don't keep the energy same way, you see me? Yeah, man, people, but you don't know. Alkaline Sands. It was a moment. You understand? Yeah, man. You see me? Alkaline Sands, man, and thing, man. You see it. But not lie. Alkaline are going good for that year. But not lie. It might dominate the space. Yeah, man. It might dominate the space. No matter what nobody wants to say. You see me? And it's a good look. You see me? At first, in a Sun event where them book an artist where them have to change venue. So, it shows the Alkaline have that impact there. Like, yo, you have to put leverage on the man thing. You understand? Because the man do it for years and him still consistent until today. You understand? Yeah, man, him still consistent till today because you would dominate him. Shell down UK new rules. You understand? See there? After now him come shell down Sands. You see me? You see me? First time on Sands. You see me? For Sands Caribbean Festival. You see me? Yeah, man, the youth do it, man. Alka, big up yourself. Yeah, man.
Subscribe now.
You would have him. Yo, may I tell you, is yo, in the business for 10 years and create such a very huge impact with your catalog in a first 10 years in your career is a great look. And every artist do that. You understand? In the first 10 years, yeah, man, and every artist do that. Some artists, the career not live for 10 years. You see it, but Alkaline, ma dominate. You see it, yeah, man, ma sell out shows and all of them little things there too, you see me? Yeah, man, the youth are doing thing. The youth been doing it still. You see me? Yeah, man, the youth been doing it, but you don't know them not to highlight Alkaline thing, you see me? But at the end of the day, Alkaline not really watch the haters them, you see me? Yeah, man, him not really pre the haters them. You see me? Him just do him thing and then the haters them end up just come off and just show the respect and give him the credit same way. You see me? But it's a good look for see the boss forward out and dominate Sands, man. You see me? Yeah. Right now, you don't know Sands people them nice, cause when them check up them millions of dollars where them making on a normal thing. You see me? Yeah, man, it's not a normal thing, man. Cause I tell you people, it's a great look for the artists, you see me? But that's how things said. But can you look at the piece of clip here?
Nobody is just in nobody where he's at.
Yeah, man, when the boss touch up, man, the boss fresh everything. You see me? Yeah, man, the boss have mash up the place, man. You see it with all them hits over the last 10 years, 11 years. You see me? Yeah, man, it's not a normal look. You see me? Cause Alkaline bust about around 2012, so. You see me? Yeah, around them time there, so. Boss I go about what? 12 years in our business, you know. Yeah, 12, 13, I think. It's a good look for your artists. I tell you, enough artists out there. Yo, after a couple of years, you see me? Them things are about Alkaline do for him in a 10. Impact. You see me? No matter what, you can't take him out of the conversation. You can't take him out of the juggle right now. You understand? Yeah, man. The youth are doing thing, man. You see it? Man, shell down the place. Yeah, man, with them hits and you know the people in my sons enjoy it and sing out and me I tell you say video like
now.
They from the man forward out till the man go back in and just be a video like. You see me, the people them happy to see a difference. An artist where them not really to see. Superstar. You understand? The boss just do him job and cut. You see me? Yeah, man, the boss just do him job and cut, man. It's a great look. You see me? Rate how the artists are moving, not really pre some bad mind people and that's the thing, guys. So when you strive and things are going for you, people are going to hate. You see me? Because sometimes when you laugh and chat up with people, them tired of them disrespect you see me? Take it for weakness and one style, you see me? Yeah, man, but Alkaline are doing thing. He don't really have to really meds nobody. He just focus on the music, you see me? Because Alkaline really focus on music. He don't really do the media thing. Because media thing kind of drain the energy. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. The only time you see him on media, I when him do him job. You see it? Yeah, otherwise, if I'm doing him job, you nah see him. You understand? And that's how you think for set. That's how superstar move. You understand? You think no for come on out and all of them look something there, you see me? Yeah, man. You think no for two come on out and them something there. So that's how you have to do your thing.
Really want to be the one to make you happy, gear. Chop the world who could stop you no one. Man, I read the brother. Take that for the one, yeah. Hold on.
You see me? Yeah, man. But as I think said, John know people, maybe I look at thing, you know. John know me. You say man them put popcorn for mute or it over in a big stand there. Yeah, man.
Guys, they just turned off Popcaan's mic in the middle of his performance, and that's it. They put up a sign saying safe journey, go home, and basically it's done. My man is literally sitting on the
And then put popcorn for mute. I wonder what going on. What am I doing the unruly boss so? You see me? But that's how the thing going on everywhere anyway. Like Jamaica when you can bad up people and way still. You sit down on the stage and certain little things, you see me? But that's how the thing set. You see me? But him do him thing over there. Go on with that thing over Brixton, see me. You see it? Yeah, man. But Alkaline are doing thing. You see it? And there's more greatness to come in them career. You see it? Yeah, man. Them I go tired to see him face, you see me? Yeah, man. I got tired to see him face. Because when you look how the youth dominate him space, him not to watch your people. I say, imagine if Alkaline did watch all the people I say certain things. I tell the people if maybe youth will reach him there right now. You see me? Yeah, man, maybe you will reach him there right now. So when you see youth dominate him space, and you have to just give him props. You see me? Him have more show to come up. Him have Canada.
No.
And him have. Because basically Alkaline depend on world tour thing right now. You see me? Alkaline depend on a little tour. You see me? They're all about the place of performance, certain things. You see me? Yeah, man. So, when you see certain things, you have to just go on easy and, you know? Yeah, man. You might dominate him space. Nah, lie. You see me? You might do him like a thing and, you know, mash up the place and certain like a thing. You see it? Yeah, man. But, you have to give you him props and him set him thing, you see me? Him do him thing by himself, dominate him, have him team, him sister and every little thing for dominate for him space and certain little things, you see me? Yeah, man. Mash up the place. But you don't know when Alkaline go live on stage. I know nothing normal.
No confusion. Hey, yo, shut an eye over. Nobody is just me, nobody is in that. Why go? Hey, daddy, I'm just saying, why you come? Took me from time to time, but you don't come. Everybody just a follow me. Yo, fam, yo, we have been gas up like every day. Everybody free now. So make them do what we are like.
Yeah, man. I don't know nothing normal, man. Everybody I say, yo, not to see them youth here, but yo, me have to roll out. But it's a great look. You see me? It's a great impact for Sands too. You see me? Great impact for Sands. You see it? Yeah, man. But some of the time, you look on certain things, there are some people who are forward out and try to style the thing. And, but when you check, you see me? Them not really acting, them not really there now, you know. Some people just, sometimes when they call Alkaline name, I just look, them just a look at hype, you see it?
Subscribe now.
But the boss to really pre that. Because Alkaline too, you know, man, not strength like that, you know. You see, at this time and age, him do that back then. But you see now, you're not getting no strength from them, man. I tell you that. You're not getting no strength. You see me? Theme time, you know. Domination. You see it? Yeah, man, a domination time, man. Can't stop the youth. I tell you, I see more greatness. Wait till the youth show start go over some place. I don't know normal, man. But the youth do it. You see me? Alkaline do it, man. Not lying. It's a great youth. Great youth. Put in work on every little thing. Yeah, man. That's a boss. But I saw the thing go, I saw the thing set. You see me? But people, they don't know, you know. Yeah, man. Media Fox, man. You don't know the thing, sir. Yeah, man. That is it.